Now I request Honorable Senior Consultant Sir, please address. I remember when we were the principal and the first in training program took place, you were playing the role of our teacher, and what we are today is the outcome of the training we have obtained at Bangalore. Sir, I request please add this. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, Thank you, Synergy. Thank you very much for organizing this meeting. Uh, uh, I wished Chandramouli also could speak, but due to shortage of time, he prefers that I speak today. It's quite possible that there are many students behind the screen who wanted to speak today.
Please adjust the camera. You are out of frame.
Hello, camera.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I feel that there are many alumni people who are waiting outside the screen. There are many enthusiastic people with whom I am also in touch. Like, for instance, last fortnight when I shared this with Ms. Reva Smriti and Anand that this program is going on, they were thrilled to participate. What it means is that there is a very rich resource of alumni behind Navodaya, and I strongly believe that the future of Navodaya certainly depends upon the involvement of the alumni to take forward the vision, to take forward the activities, to take forward the strength of Navodaya Vidyalaya from the current level to the next level. Many of you have shared some of the views which were there in your mind. You will also be happy to know that many organizations, including organizations of Navodaya, are working behind to support the students in Navodaya. Like, for instance, for the mental health, the people are working. In addition, our Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti has also started two counselors, one male and one female, on regular basis in Navodaya recently. We ran it for 1 year. We hope that it will also continue during this year itself. This, of course, came because of the media glare, but as Shweta is telling, this is a very important requirement which committee has also realized to provide it. Altogether, what it means is that aspiration building, academic support, and holding the emotional cord throughout the career of the student in Navodaya is really a tough job. Most of you have realized it probably as parents. Also, now you are feeling how tough it is to handle the children in the school system. Thanks for making it. I can recollect one of the organization which is exclusively supporting the students for preparing future citizens. Parallelly, they have a activity called preparing the children for civil service examination. But typically, like Navodaya, it is being run. Why I am taking this example is, although that center is in Karnataka, more than 70% of the children are from Bihar in that center. After 12th, they just joined that institute. It is called Nivritti Foundation. They are giving the support to the children for civil service examination. Like this, there are many organizations which are working behind the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. And as Mr. Mr. Subrat has said, we are dealing with the high power individuals amongst the teacher, amongst the students, as well as amongst the faculty strength. Matching this is a very big activity. Principals do have a very bigger role in matching this activity. To match this gap of resources, we thought that it is the time for attaching ourselves with the many who are able to provide affectionate as well as caring support to the Navoday Vidyalayas. I'm really happy to listen today that most of you have expressed unstinted support for the Navodaya activities. This is a great relief for Navodaya, as a matter of fact. The database structure is in the pipeline and it will be made known. Please see that these structures are supported so that either your registration and registration by authentication by the school also continues, so that we will have a understanding of whom to contact for what type of help, because supporting the talented children is not a individual work. It is a combination of lot of works. Therefore, we need the support of many people. Earlier period, many in the society had enthusiasm to support. Now, similar to this, there are many activities which are begun in the society. Therefore, now, if at all we need the resources, it is the alumni who can support us in this. And as Commissioner has rightly said, I am just reiterating this partnership with industry. It is very essential. It is not necessary that everybody should go for only engineering and medicine. There are parallelly tremendous options are available, and I do not know. This pandemic has opened different economic era after this, and we will be in the new situation. Like in the on Friday alumni meet, it was being told to us by the alumni that even professions are getting changed, getting reformed. So therefore, we have to be prepared for future skills. That is possible only the alumni who are actually in the practice in the economy come to school and then lend their support. Even your affectionate touch over telephone, video calls, or audio talks to the students from wherever you are will be of greater strength. We have requested the Navodaya Vidyalayas to organize at least one talk in a week. The school has to organize for all the students, at least for 2 to 3 hours, so that they can call the experts. During this slot, I would request the alumni to address the students and give certain clues, so that the students will be able to prepare in a better manner. This is what our expectation is, and there is much demand from the alumni also that why Navodaya is not coming to the wider media as regards to the performance of the students and also the requirements. Uh, to be very frank with you all, school, as a matter of fact, does not have wider competency of addressing the media. Once you get into the media mode, you also require the strength to hold on to that for a longer period. Because once a media reports a good thing, there will be another group which will be doing a high quality research on what is opposite to it in this system. So this will be very difficult to bear for the school system, because schools work in a very humble resource system. We have limited resources, limited faculty, limited facilities. So within this, every activity has to be managed. Therefore, generally, if you go around the globe, the school system works on low profile activity, but high quality activities are carried through the support of teachers, retired teachers, students' own resources, and the students who have passed out. So this will definitely go a long way. I thank the regional office Patna for having organized this meet and inviting all the people. I was told that more than 500 people are participating behind the main screen. My thanks to all of them for having given the audience to this meeting. I would earnestly request all the people who have come today to communicate to their own counterparts and then request the friends, brothers, and sisters to keep in touch with Navodaya Vidyalayas so that the school will be able to help the current students and also prepare well for the future students in the days to come. Thanks for meeting, and the commissioner has also requested the regional office to organize this alumni meet frequently, so that because in one meeting not many could be connected. Regional office should be able to organize many such meetings so that many people can be connected. The more connections we are able to make, the more ideas we will be able to get, and the more resources we will be able to generate for the benefit of the students. Thank you very much. Thanks for making it happen. And my special thanks to Mr. Ratnakaran from JNU Mahe in Kerala, who is organizing this program for Patna region. This is the beauty of the digital competency we have. We can make use of these kind of opportunities. And Mr. Ratnakaran also has some amazing teachers with him. He can also organize some classes for the students in Patna region. He has recently implemented the Microsoft tools in the whole of Hyderabad region. He all alone took this initiative. This Patna region also can take lead so that the parents also will come to know what is happening in this school. For this year, probably we do not know when the schools will open. At least making use of the digital support will be much more useful. That's why I'm just making a special request to Mr. Ratnakaran to handhold the implementation of digital tools in Patna region. And he and Mr. Binay are very good friends. I think this chemistry will work more for the digital initiatives. Thank you very much. Thanks all for making it happen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.